If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Welcome to my What If presentation. Today we're going to be talking about, you guessed it, what if all the rain on Earth became lemon drops and gumdrops? And the reality of how terrible that would be. I'm sorry, but it wouldn't be very pleasant. So here's a list of the different things I'll be going over. I'm going to be putting them onto, combining some on the same slides, so it's not going to be, super long. We'll see how long it actually ends up being. First of all, Dumbledore, if you've seen Harry Potter, you know that his password to get to his office is lemon drops, because it's kind of like a muggle candy that he likes, but no one really knows about it. So you have to change his password, because suddenly everybody would know what his password was, because everyone knows what lemon drops are, because they're falling from the sky. Anyway, that's not really a real one, but it was fun, so I had to throw it in there. On a more serious note, tropical islands would become candy islands. They would be covered with lemon drops and gumdrops, because the ocean would evaporate and create rain clouds, and it would rain down lemon drops and gumdrops. And it would be all sticky and gross, because the ocean would go up and get on the candy and just mushy and all over everywhere. It'd be kind of disgusting to go to tropical islands anymore, because everywhere would be candy. And I like candy, don't get me wrong, but I don't want to be stepping on candy, up to my knees, you know? Because that would be pretty gross. Also, everyone would be eating a lot of candy and have a candy overdose. Probably lead to diabetes and weight gain and all these problems, because everybody's eating so much candy that's just free, it's falling from the sky. So that could be an issue as well. Also, the water cycle would stop, because water would go up, evaporate, turn into clouds, and come down as lemon drops. And then it would stop, because there'd be no more water to evaporate and everything would be lemon drops. And this also means that all the plants would die, which would also be a very big problem, because then we would have no food or anything. Everything would die. And we would have no rainbows to make everything happier. We couldn't even go over the rainbow, because we would have no rainbows. Because the rainbows would not exist. Because, I'm sorry, you can't reflect sunlight off of lemon drops and get a rainbow. It doesn't work. So those are the problems with what would happen if the rain turned to lemon drops and gumdrops. Here are my sources. I use clip art for most of my images, and I used an article, what would happen if there was no rain, all by Tia website, blog thing. It was a really helpful article. Some of this came from my own thought. I talked with my family members to get some feedback and stuff. Other than that, that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time.